No, wait, kids! Shh! Shush!
Mommy, come back!
I'll be in there in a minute. Don't know what that is.
Mommy, come back!
It's quite far away. Guys! Come in here if you're scared. Come here. Oh, for Christ's sake. Darling, I'm trying to video this. Shush. Lily, what are you scared about, bub? Babe? Is that me or has that split into 2 bits? Stop it! Guys! Stop it! Guys, shh! What are you screaming about? What, babe? I haven't. She said it was a firework. I looked out and it was the trailing one like that. Babe, there's a flickery thing down to the left as well that I can see. It doesn't look like a... It's not anything. It's flickering, but it's not a... The other one's going to it really quick. I can see it. Oh my God. Over there. The other thing's going to it. I'm coming, babe. Hold on. The other thing's going to it. Shit phone. What a shit phone. Lily, we can't.
Hey, what are you saying?
That thing's flickering over in the corner, and that thing has just gone back over to it, babe. They're in the sitting room, they're shitting their pants. There's a bit over there that's flickering.